friends, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to set button lock screen and how to remove button lock screen. So before I start the video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. So first of all, you have to move to the setting, then you have to press the setting, then you have to scroll it down, then you see this one, password and security. You have to press it, this one. So you have to press it, screen lock. So you see here button first one, you have to press this one. So you have to wait for a minute here. So it is done now. So you have to press it, got it. So you have to confirm with the password. You have to draw a line. So you have to draw it line. So you have to press it, confirm. So it is done now. The password has been set. See, the password has been set. So now how to remove this password? So you have to again move to the setting, then you have to scroll it down again, then you have to press it again, this one. So you have to press it, you have to press it again, this one. So you have to draw a line whatever you have put it. So you can see here, turn off screen lock, you have to press it, this one. So you have to confirm that one. So you need to press it, okay. So the password has been removed, no more password. So it is done now. So friends, if you like this video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.